Alright guys, welcome back to the last 4-pack opening of the Emperors in the New World display box. At least the first one. I will probably end up getting another one or two at some point soon. I said I got another box ready to go, so this might be the next one. But this might be the next one I re-up on. We'll see here. Got 4 right here. Let's get to it. Oh, hold on, let me do something real quick. See if I can, whoopsie daisy. I am gonna have to, I don't know if I'm gonna edit that part out or not. We'll have to see here. I got a lot to do. Morley, Nico, Olivia, Hallie and Gab, Mr. Number 1. Nobody hurts a friend of mine. Nico Robin. Never underestimate the power of miracles. Jean Bart. Karasu. Black Hole. Rora Nora Zoro. Oh shit. Frankie. That's pretty sick looking. Not gonna lie. 3 packs left. Let's go, baby. Full of lead. Sanji. Heat. Never underestimate the power of miracles. Bello Betty. Vasco shot. Rockstar. Thunderlands flip caliber Phoenix shot. Jesus Christ, that was a mouthful. Uses Captain Kid. Lime juice. Okay. Silver's Rayleigh. The man, the myth. The legend. Oh, we got Sanji. Fuck yeah. I'm getting like one of each. And I'm liking it. Oh, wait. Supposed to go over there. Huh. Tripping. Might be a little too fucking high. It'd be like that. Alright. 2 packs left. This is a fun display box to open. There's a Dawn card right there. Yeah, we'll just fucking... Empty Bluff Islands, Brooke, Pierre, Jinbei, Monkey D. Luffy, Peachbeard, Izo, Portugas, or hold the fuck up. Portgas D. Ace, Marshall D. Teach, Blackbeard Zabo, Doc Q. Are you that afraid of the new era? Dawn card. Alright. Here's all those. We haven't pulled anything too crazy, so maybe it's in this pack right here. Come on. It's in the heart of the cards. I think it's looking pretty good so far. It's looking like this card right here is going to be pretty crazy. Alright, let's see. Tony Chopper. Heat. Thousand Sunny. Lindbergh. Bello Betty. Gum Jump Rope. Rob Lucci. Special Muggy Ball. Alvita. Wire. Gum Quattro Jet Cross. Shock Bazooka. Kuzan. Damn, I was wrong. Wasn't anything crazy at all. That's alright though. We pulled some good stuff earlier. I pulled like $70 worth of in two cards. I haven't checked the other alternate art that I got for that one yet, but I would definitely get back to you guys when I do. Anyways, Thank you guys for stopping in to another YouTube video. That's it for this box. We're going to be opening Awakening of the Era, probably starting on Wednesday or Thursday. Probably Thursday. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping in. Drop a follow if you could. I'd appreciate it. You guys have a good night, morning, whatever it is for you. Catch me on Kick at ScaryTerryBetch. First letter of each word is capitalized. And Twitch is ScaryTerryBetch, all lowercase, one word. Same thing with the Kick, all one word as well. But Twitch is 2 H's, that's it. Anyways, I'll catch you guys again.